Welcome to the Art Lady's home. Today I'm going to share with you how I maintain and clean my pool throughout the year. I just recently did a summer refresh, getting ready for summer, so I cleaned up the whole pool area, deck, tile, and then I refreshed my pool deck with a coat of paint. I'm going to share with you a few products that I find are very helpful in keeping your pool clean. Most of it I clean with the pump-up sprayer. Just hit it real quick with a pump-up sprayer diluted with some of your pool chlorine. That's the best way of cleaning. It also doesn't put added chemicals into the pool. So if you just use your diluted pool bleach, you'll be fine with that. It won't affect your pool chemistry. So we just dilute that, pump up sprayer, and then hit any areas that are really bad. And then what I do is I scrub out any buildup. I do have some waterfall crevices and things that I like to use small pool brushes. And the Lannpole pool cleaning tools has a great little kit, and it's perfect for cleaning the surfaces of your pool inside and also on the deck. And what I like best about this pool cleaning kit, it has this net here that can actually catch a lot of the stuff. When I use my normal pool net that looks similar to this, it's real hard to go from the deep end bringing up debris. The stuff wants to fall off and then I get to go back over it and over it. This has the scoop net with very fine mesh, so all the tiny fine particles are going to stay in the net instead of going through your filter. And I have some millipedes that love to come into my pool, and I love using that type of a net, that scoop net for the millipedes. Also, it helps when you have the handheld brushes. I have a lot of this decorative brick at the back, and I like to hand scrub into the crevices there. That helps just get all the buildup that's in the corners. And then my screen comes right up to the pool edge, and that has some little crevices that just need a small handheld brush too. So I love this kit because it comes with all the different little brushes, and I found them to be most effective. The pool cleaning kit comes with several different attachments to meet your needs, and it's got this really handy telescopic pole with easy open close latches. So I'll just show you how simple it is. You unlatch, extend, and lock, and this is going to bring you right to the deep end. And then to bring it back in, it's just a simple pull and then lock. And here's the full size handle once it's all compacted, and it's about a 4-foot tall pole, so it doesn't take up a lot of room, where my other pole was quite large and bulky in the pool area. So I appreciate the smaller design of this one. It's got your standard surface skimmer, which this is what I've always used because I didn't have the scoop net. I use this to clean the stuff at the bottom of the pool, and it just doesn't function that well. This is good for surface water. And then you've got your tilt head brush, which tilts all different kinds of ways. And then you've got your steel brush that can attach. This is good for your pool deck, especially if you're going to be resurfacing your pool deck. And my pool deck is up for resurfacing this year. It's got some chips and whatnot, so I'm going to use this to scrub off any of the chipped areas. That way, when I repaint, it's removed the loose debris. So that's what I'm going to be using the steel brush for. I'm not going to be using this inside the pool. The hairs can come out, and I don't want that to happen inside the water. It comes with a boat clip right here. You can attach this to the pole. I'm going to use it just to store my pool poles. So I attach this to here, and then this makes a hook so I can hook it onto a wall just for storage. And then here you have your handheld brush, and I use these handheld brushes all the time. I keep it near the pool, so every time I go for a swim, if I need to hit the water line, I can hit the water line with this. So we have the screening that comes right up to the pool line here, and that makes for lots of little nooks and crannies that you're going to need a scrub brush for. And then I have the back wall where the screen just goes right on top of the wall, and so that forms little nooks and crannies too that are hard to get to. It seems like the prettier the design, the more complicated the cleaning is, so you're going to need smaller tools like this. And I always use this almost every time I go in for a swim because I see something and I want to clean it, so I quickly scrub it. So this is an indispensable brush and I absolutely love it. The hairs are strong and the hairs seem like they're not going to break off. I've had brushes, brand new brushes, where the hairs are breaking and then it forms the debris in the pool. And so that's a big no-no because that's defeating the purpose of cleaning your pool. So I love this little soft handheld brush. It's also perfect for cleaning the edges here of the screen. It's got a really nice gentle brush, so it's not going to scratch. Even though this pool is screened in, we do get some debris a few times a year at the bottom, especially in the fall with the leaves. They get blown in on the bottom of the screen door, the entrance doors. And of course you have the little animals that come in, frogs and lizards, and like I mentioned, those millipedes. And so I never opted for the vacuum because I really wouldn't need something that elaborate. But this scoop net is just a brilliant idea to get the little bit of debris out that I do have a few times a year, because this will scoop up any debris that's in the deep end and it stays in the net. So it's great. I just put it into the deep end, rub it this way, and all the debris from the bottom scoops right up. And then it's easy to bring it to the surface without having all of the debris fall out. By the time you bring it from the deep end to the shallow end, half my debris always falls out when I use a smaller net. So this is absolutely brilliant. This comes with a telescopic pole, and this is in lieu of a vacuum. My pool doesn't have a vacuum on it. It's such a small pool, and I found that this net just does the trick. And it has some fine mesh in it, and it's picking up really small particles. Even some of the glass bead that has fallen off the pool from the finish, it's picking up. So in lieu of a vacuum, this works great. Then I don't have to spend the extra money on that vacuum. Because I had such a small backyard footprint, I had to design the pool around the limits that I had. And so it made a lot of areas that are difficult to clean. And I did want privacy from the neighbors, so I had the wall built here on the back, but it's real hard to get up on top to clean. So the telescopic pole reaches up there. When I stand near the planter, I can clean up at the top. A brilliant, unique function of this brush is the tilt head, which is just phenomenal. So if you need to scrub it like this, where you're going to scrub straight down into the pool, or you can just simply press this to turn the angles to meet your needs. Because you're going to be faced with different types of angles that you need to clean. And you want the head of the brush to come into the surface of the pool. Especially when I clean steps and whatnot, and then this can come down straight like that. The tilt head feature is perfect for difficult angles like this, cleaning the top of the wall. It's perfect for shelves that are far away. There's a seat here. The angle helps get in the crevices better. You can see how it's just picking up that silt that's settled in the crevice. The tilted angle is perfect for the waterfall edge here, where it's real hard to reach, and it does a perfect job. And the angle of the brush allows you to get into some of these right angles along the pool deck where it meets the screen. And it's just the perfect angle for the wall here, where the wall meets the bottom of the pool in the deep end. And it just sweeps away any of that fine debris. So I really think that the angle is a great idea, which is different from my other pool brushes. The pole that comes with the pool cleaning kit also fits your standard roller. So I didn't have to go out and get an extended pole for this. So that was very helpful. So now I'm just going to go ahead and fill up my paint roller, and then I'm going to go ahead and start painting. And here is the pool deck all refreshed for summer. And the paint color I chose was Mindful Gray 7016 by Sherwin-Williams. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want more content like this.